All right, I'll show you guys how I was able to enter this trade and got break even on it. So I was really looking at this high. Well, I guess we should go to the higher time frame. We had a big sell off, uh, big move down, huge 4 hour candle inversed all these gaps. We did look like we are respecting this 4 hour. With that, we just now opened a 1 hour gap. Um, so I wanted to get break even before we got to that for this trade. So on the lower time frame, so I was targeting this London low as a, like low hanging fruit. It was pretty far away, but I at least wanted to see the bottom of this range, which could still get hit. Um, but what I really liked was this 5 minute had this intermediate high inside of this 5 minute fair value gap, and then we swept it. And as soon as we swept it, we had instant displacement down, inverse this 1 minute, and then we had to move back up. And I waited. Then I was on the 15-second chart and saw instant displacement from that inversing a 15-second gap. So kind of double confirmation. I entered like right there and then went break even at this swing low right here. Was break even on that, and then this just chopped from there. We got close to getting break even, and then we had like more of a move. But I I was thinking about scaling out of the trade at each of these lows, but we never even got to one. It was just super slow and choppy, which is to be expected after FOM or pre FOMC. Um, I really want to start trying to implement these 5/15 minute intermediate highs into my trading, which also we just opened that 15 minute and we tapped into this 15 minute intermediate high, swept that, had the displacement from theirs. So it was sweeping this high as well. So it was everything I wanted to see. I had a draw. We have low, relative equal lows, low, low, with yesterday's London low as a higher time frame draw, and we had a huge move down overnight. So we're bearish in that aspect. We were coming into, we did just come from, I should say, a 4 hour bullish gap that we seem to be respecting. Um, so that is one thing to keep in mind, but yeah, now we're gonna get that displacement. But so that's how I was able to get break even, gave myself a chance, started implementing that sweep of a intermediate high, and yeah, I think on a different day that trade will work out a lot better than on a day like today where we're slowing down and just chopping. This is gonna happen, but